Maybe could you show us a little bit though of the schematic side, maybe what it looks like to work on a project, just because I'd rarely ever see the 2D side of stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the user interface for SOLIDWORKS Electrical, and I have just a single page open. Now, what I want to point out is that SOLIDWORKS Electrical is project based. So you can have a project name here that has a book inside of it. This book can contain cover pages and drawing lists and bills of materials. You can even tie in reports and spec sheets, whatever you want to put into this project, whatever you'll need to accomplish your project, you can throw in here. I do want to point out that you can have multiple books. So if you have multiple systems, you have an electrical system, a hydraulic system, and a pneumatic system, you can have three separate books. This is different from like a DWG, where you would open a DWG on file and you could have like 20 different pages that you could zoom in and out of. And instead of doing that, you're going to open a project and you have access to all the different pages inside of this project. And you'll notice that this one that I have, oh 07, this is the multi-line schematic. When I open that page, it turns blue, and that's going to be red for everybody else, indicating that someone has it open.
I got you. So
And
that's your write access. Is this a templatized thing? I'm just curious. If you hit File, New, or however you started this, do you always have the same stuff in your schematics, like same sheets?
that's exactly right. And
Okay.
so you can hit File New, just like in SOLIDWORKS, you'll have a part template, an assembly template, and a drawing template. In SOLIDWORKS Electrical, you have a project template. And so this project template, it creates a structure so that all your electrical engineers and designers will use the same start point so that everything looks very seamless from engineer to engineer. There's a lot of setup that you can do as well, and I want to kind of peek at that behind the scenes. So on this electrical project tab, there's this configurations button. This is
Okay.
kind of where the sausage is made from the settings perspective. There's a lot going on here. I don't want to like confuse or
Yeah,
disorient
it's kind
anyone.
of intense interface to be honest.
That's exactly right. But little things like what do you want to call all of your components? You can see the components down here. It's a component root plus a component order number. So if I put a motor in, it's going to be M1. If you want
Mm.
that to be MTR page number column, we can set that up as well. So it's really customizable, even from what we call origin destination arrows, and then some other systems they call them like offsheet references. A lot of times people want to show page, row, column, and that's something that we can absolutely do. Uh, if I go in and I click the formula button for that and go to variables and simple formulas, there's a number of things that we could build in to make that formula set up exactly the way you want.
Oh. Is this that I'm looking at here, is this like a highly customized or is this kind of default for you?
So this is the template that I typically use for people if they purchase an implementation and I come on site or remotely do an implementation. I'm going to deliver this project template. This project template I feel like meets the need for most people. I've gone through and I've set up from an American standpoint, like the ANSI standard
Hmm.
standpoint for most of the formulas. There's only a couple things that we really need to customize, and I'm going to ask questions that would lead you to answer those. So just like how do you want your pages? What do you want your rows and columns to be? What do you want your components to be named? Some people are using wrong numbers and some people are not. So little variances between companies like that is what
I
we really
gotcha.
need to do
So you're
during
gonna do that
implementation.
during the implementation, during the training. You're figuring out the customizations live, I guess. Yeah.
Absolutely. We'll do it live.
Okay, cool.